The 3D model, and the red boundary is the new part that I need to clean this or made it, and this is the metal cover original. I need to drill 3 screw holes to mount this new plastic additional cover on the original cover, and this circular connector is used for connection of the holes. The printing of the cover. For these 3D printers, except one area is not good, other is very well and precised. The printed dimension is precised. When I bought this, I found this fitting mechanism is not good enough, and when I change other material other than PLA, it can't print because the fitter is poor. This fitter mechanism is poor, and on the eBay I purchased a replacement. Now I am using the replacement. You can see here there is handle. It's a spring-loaded tapped. The original one is not spring-loaded, is hard pressing the filament, so it can't print in many cases. And after I changed it, this tool, it cost me about, it's not expensive, it's cheap, it's around $7 for 2. The 3D printing is in the progress. I make one more cover here, small cover here, and it's going to pin the tube, the connector tube, and the tab, 3 tab for screw mounting. Now the parts was built up. Okay. Now I can turn off the machine. Now I take off the supporting material. This is not unused part, and this is the finished part. Make this out again. Okay, finish.